Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Laila Lynn Casino, 36 years old, married, no kids, but I have two cats at home. I live in Poblacion, Misamis Oriental, Philippines. I am college undergraduate, bachelor in elementary education, major in English and Filipino. My first working experience as domestic as helper was in the Philippines. I do cleaning, washing, ironing, marketing, and taking care of the kids. My second working experience as domestic helper was in Singapore. I served four members of the family, the parents, the 4 years old son, and the 1 year old daughter. I do cleaning, ironing, washing, marketing, and taking care of the children, preparing meal also. I am trustworthy, God-fearing, responsible, friendly, kind-hearted, and trustworthy. I can assure you, ma'am and sir, that I will take care of the children as my own. Please choose me. Please to choose me to serve your family with love and care. Hoping your kind and consideration, and see you soon. God bless.